Hey everyone, welcome to week 10 of your quantitative reasoning course. So we are on week 10 of 15 and we are finishing up unit 3. I do want you guys to start thinking about your end of semester project and start working on that. That is going to be due for 14, so I just want to give you guys a good head start on that and we'll review that in just a minute. Just a little bit of class math. So if we're in week 10 of 15, that is 66.67% of the course, which means we have 33.33% left. You also are finishing 3 of 4 units, which is 75% of the course material. So as mentioned above, in week 10, we're going to be doing 10A and 11A. So it's just those two lessons. Then you guys have your quiz and you have a wrap up. So just again, a reminder, you have unlimited attempts on your quizzes and you have 2 attempts on your wrap ups. If you want to review your wrap up before you take your first attempt, please just let me know. I'm happy to go over that with you. And then again, I do want you guys working on your end of semester project, and then you have your notes. I'm going to quickly just put my computer in student view so we can take a quick look at your end of semester project. All right, so end of semester project, you're going to be using that data that you collected for your mid-semester project, and we're building a little bit upon that. So you're going to be asking questions that are geared towards units 3 and 4. Same layout as before. So part 1 has one question. Again, a little introduction, some of your directions, your questions, and tips over on the last column. Part 2 only has one question as well. But then when we get down to part 3, this is where you need to be very careful and read through these directions carefully. So you're going to think about the question that you're trying to answer in your mid-semester project. And you're going to decide, well, did you collect quantitative or categorical data? And you're going to be running a linear regression. Now, if you need any help with this, I'm going to ask you guys to please contact me or also refer to lesson 8D. You're going to be looking at correlations. Again, you're going to be using either Excel, that Accula tool, or Google Sheets, or if you're on a MacBook, their equivalent. And you're going to be doing some analysis on that. Make sure you guys are thoroughly answering all these questions and you're reviewing your rubric before you turn it in so you know how you're being graded. And this project only has 8 parts and about 10 questions. Rubric is down at the bottom. This is how you're being graded. Please make sure you're reading through all the criteria. I will also provide feedback when I do go through to grade it so you know if you need to make any updates. If you guys have any questions as you're working through this week's material, please reach out. I do have my student hours and I'm happy to meet with you guys outside of those if you have any questions or concerns. Have a great week, guys.